guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's going to be another weekend vlog and today is Sunday and yesterday I didn't get lot of time to record anything because my friends came over for lunch, so I was little bit busy, but I'm going to include few clips from yesterday so that you know what we did yesterday, and after watching those clips I'm going to show you what we did today. And before beginning into the video, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I post weekly vlogs and also a lot of recipes and also a lot of garden videos. And also please like this video and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And let's begin the video.
So for lunch I made matar paneer. And I also made some mango dal. And to go with paneer and dal, I made simple no onion, no garlic jeera rice in instant pot. This recipe is on my channel. Please do check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Later in the afternoon, my friend wanted to drink dalgona coffee, so we are making dalgona coffee here. I got this frother from Amazon and the link will be in the description box below. Here is the dalgona coffee. It came out super delicious and we made an iced coffee. And this is the first time I'm trying this coffee and I would definitely try it again because I liked it so much. So in the evening we have ordered some samosas. These are the onion samosas and here are the aloo samosas and some sauces to go along with the samosas. And I also made some hot chai. This is ginger, cardamom and lemongrass chai. So as you guys know, I like to drink Topo Chico. In the afternoon, I quickly wanted to cool it. So instead of keeping in the fridge, I kept it in the freezer and completely forgot about it. So this is what happened. The liquid expanded in the bottle and completely exploded inside the freezer. So apart from gardening work, my husband also helps me with the household work. So here he is helping me sweep the floors and also mop the floors. He's comfortable doing this, so he does this whenever he gets time. So here he is helping me in the kitchen. He's taking the beans from the pots.
What are you going to do with those?
Compost. I'll put them in compost.
Cool.
So I think most of you can relate what's going on here. Yes, we are just sitting on the sofa, relaxing and looking at our phones. This is what we do most of the time because we both are alone at the house, cannot go outside the house. And I think because of the coronavirus and the current situation, we are more than ever addicted to our phones, social media and continuously binge watching on Netflix. So here my husband is removing seeds from this dried ridge gourd so that we can sun dry them and reuse them again for the next year planting. So we grew this moringa plant using a seed in a small pot, and as you can see it is growing very well and it's also flowering, and we thought it's time to plant it in the ground. And here recently we pulled out a blueberry plant from this pot because the blueberry plant is almost dead. So we thought we'll pull it out and plant something useful. So here my husband is digging a hole using this shovel. This is a very useful tool to have in the garden to dig large holes in the ground. So if you pull it correctly, it will come without any breaking of roots. And now it's time to fill the gaps around the plant. Here my husband is using a mix of compost and soil. And now we are going to water the plant. He's just checking if the water is too hot. And here he's showing us the earthworm. Earthworms are gardener's best friend. And that's it, the planting is done. Can you guess what plant is this? Let me know in the comments below. I just wanted to show this because it's growing beautifully and it's having a nice pattern of equal number of leaves on both sides. So here my husband is removing the compost from the compost bin. Since it's ready to use, we are removing it and we will use it for the plants. And we spend a lot of time in the garden, especially on the weekends. So I hope you're not getting bored. So some compost is stuck to the walls of the compost bin. So my husband is using a shovel to scrape the compost from the sides of the bin so that it comes out easily. How many of you do composting at your home? Let me know in the comments below. So after all that hard work, now it's harvest time. So here my husband is cutting some Indian cucumbers. And then he's going to get some okra. And few of my friends asked for some curry leaves, so he's getting some curry leaves for them. And using these dried onion greens, I have tied the ends of the curry leaf stems so that it looks like a bunch. Just wanted to share this as nothing goes waste in my house. Here I wanted to show my new bedsheet set. I really liked it because it has a nice whimsical print to it. The colors are soft and it has New York, Paris, Rome, London, and we have never visited any of these places. So after removing the seeds from the ridge gourd, you don't have to throw it away. You can use this to scrub the dishes or scrub the bathrooms or the sinks. The fiber is very useful and it's a natural fiber and eco-friendly. Just wanted to show how beautiful it looks in the backyard in the evening. So it's been a long day. My husband went to play tennis with his friends in the evening, and I am done with the cooking and everything else. So now it's time to load the dishwasher. So before loading the dishwasher, I'm going to empty the dishwasher. So I'm going to put away all these dishes later in the cupboards, but first my priority is to load the dishwasher because I want to have the sink nice and clean.
And I just have it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance? We'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. Stop to care, we should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine.
So after unloading all the dishes, I'm going to load all the dirty dishes into the dishwasher, and I like to fill the dishwasher as much as possible because it already cleans efficiently and I don't want to waste time on hand washing. So I like to do minimal hand washing. Everything goes inside the dishwasher except a few delicate items. Even my pressure cooker goes inside. And definitely don't use aluminium pressure cooker in the dishwasher. Only stainless steel can go inside.
Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow I always will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day.
While cooking, cleaning or doing dishes, I like to listen to some music, but I completely forgot while recording this vlog. So here I'm popping in my earphones and I will listen to some music and I will do the work much faster because it gives a boost of energy to me.
We will just love like anyone. A brand new story, only made for you and me. I wish this dream could be real. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine. Night, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Night, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Night, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Day,
So I have loaded the dishwasher. Now it's time to do some hand washing. Here I am hand washing this pan and also skipping the ad from YouTube. And I'm going to wash some more knives and the rubber gasket of the pressure cooker. And that's it. I'm done. So now it's time to scrub the sink, and I'm just using the regular dishwashing pad and dishwashing soap, nothing fancy. And I always keep a toothbrush near the sink so that I can clean the corners of the sink strainer. And as you can see in the back, my husband is back from tennis game. And here the sink is shining, and I just want to share a tip quickly. Adding lemon peels to your sink disposal gives a nice fresh smell.
So I'm done with all the work, guys, and I am tired and I am going to bed. But before that, I'm going to share the details of this giveaway. So for the giveaway, we are sharing some vegetable seeds so that you can start your own veggie patch, because I have seen so many comments that people are interested in starting their own garden and starting growing their own vegetables. So we thought this would be perfect for that. So we are going to give around 7 to 8 different varieties of seeds so that you can start your own veggie garden. And more details on how to participate in this giveaway will be on an Instagram post, so make sure you follow me on Instagram, and this post will be posted in the next couple of days, maybe by the end of this week. So stay tuned for that. The rules will be very simple. All you have to do is like follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, just basic rules. And you can also tell your friends to participate so that you can also win some seeds. And I am going to ship these seeds anywhere in the US, so this Instagram giveaway will be only for the people living in the US or people having a valid US address. So I hope you participate in this giveaway. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. And I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Post. Now on the post. End of the video. Do the